a M&M machine. And Freight Factory themselves, Josh Sowell, driven by Dan Fresh and Martin Castro. In the 1504 out of Encinitas, California with Socalx Motorsports. Bomber Fab, Jeff Ginter LS3, Freight Factory, Fox, KC Highlights, Warren, and
the fact is that we believe Socalx in the off-road community.
Hey, you can take this shit. We believe in the off-road community so much that we're willing to put our own money behind it, whether we win, lose, or blow the fuck up. And the fact is, we wanted to make sure that car count mattered.
We wanted to make sure the car count mattered. We all want to compete. We want to compete with the best. That's why the Summers family is here, and they've done so well because they put the time in for years. That's why they're on the podium, and that's what's so great about this. And this check is going to Mr. Derek Summers. We're giving this $4 grand to him. Mr. Allegri, well, he's going to get a little change of his own, but that check already cleared. The ACH already went through a week ago. Congratulations.
Pam, it's because you're not in line with the receiver.